Welcome to the world of JJ Nitro Products Pvt Limited, an entity born with a vision, nurtured by a sense of passion, grown by teamwork and rekindled by young Turk. JJ Nitro Products Pvt Limited was established by a visionary and passionate technocrat, Mr. Naresh J. Monga, in 2003, who has over 35 years of rich experience in the chemical industry. He was joined by other techno-commercial team members having vast experience in their respective field. What started as just an SME unit today has grown to a large production house. Today, we are the largest producer of PNTOSA in India, having monthly capacity to produce 1250 metric ton. We have to our credit being zero liquid discharge facility having all legal consent and compliances. JJ Nitro is the only dedicated plant producing single product, PNTOSA. This gives us an edge over our competitors in terms of consistent quality without any cross-contamination. To ensure consistent quality and uninterrupted production, the whole plant is built by using totally non-corrosive material like SS316, lead bonding and PP, acid-proof brick-lined flooring, etc. To guarantee the quality, the product passes through multi-stage in-house testing, right from in-process, after-process and final product. We are proud to assert that due to the consistent quality, export-worthy packaging, scheduled delivery and commitment, we are largest exporter of PNTOSA from India. Our clients are based in USA, Europe, Latin America, Far East, Middle East and Southeast Asia, including renowned MNCs. What more, the second generation young Turk, Mr. Karan Monga, is all poised to take the company at new height. JJ Nitro has holistic approach when it comes to sustainability. We voluntarily undergo safety audits at regular intervals. Our workers are encouraged to take active participation in safety training to ensure adherence to all safety norms. JJ Nitro Products Pvt Limited has all required certificates like ISO 9001-2015, 14001-2015, 45001-2018, TAR Export House. Our present EcoVadis score is 74. JJ Nitro is actively involved in many CSR activities, right from helping underprivileged for education to medical requirement. It is not an exaggeration to proclaim JJ Nitro as one of the finest emerging landmarks in the Indian chemical industry, with state-of-the-art production unit, including R&D lab, testing facility, backed by people with high morale, and your only trusted partner to go to for your PNTOSA requirement. JJ Nitro Products Pvt Limited.